Okay, guys, welcome back to Playtime Chapter 3. This is part 5. If you guys haven't watched part 4, part 4 is coming out tomorrow. Check my YouTube channel, just check the vids. And without further ado, enjoy the gameplay, and let's get it! Okay, so, if you guys remember from last stream, I was stuck here for a little minute, and I don't know how to figure shit out, so... we'll have to, figure this shit out together, bro. Okay, I go here, and then what? I unlock this booster, and then like, I don't kill... Wait, that had to move. No way, there's no... What? Huh? Oh! Chat, I think I'm a little bit retarded. So, technically, you see the power cord we were just at? The one I was trying to, like, unlock? I'll show you. This one right here, and I was confused why it wasn't working. I had to attach the string to both power plants. Silly me. Silly me, chat. And then we pull that out. Boom. We go out like here. Pull ourselves. It was so easy yet so complicated for no reason. Boom. Boom. Now what? Go down. Oh, there we go. There we go. By the way, I think I might have checked how long we still have, and it's about an hour, so I think we're gonna finish the game today here. You guys are witnessing history beyond its tragedy. Okay, we need a DVD disc. Where is the DVD disc? Can someone? Oh, there it is. Where's the player? There it is. Whoa! It's a real kid.
Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Hartman. Come on in. Please, have a seat. How was your ride down?
It was, nothing like we were expecting.
Okay.
Mr. Ludwig's speech was, well, it just confirms for us that you're the orphanage we want to go through.
It's a truly magical place. I felt right at home.
I'm scared, chat.
I entered. You opened that door the first time and you just know. You're never going to leave. How could you not know?
And why are we only finding out about this now?
I don't. I'm sorry.
We got the key to that one locked room. Oh crap. Whoa, okay, we got another imposter in our hands.
Hi, I'm Crafty Corn. Can you help me with my painting? Pass me the blue, please.
Okay. We're gonna get a first appearance of Poppy Corn, or whatever the fuck her name is. Oh yeah, she's gonna just... classic Poppy Playtime. She's gonna just pop up like walking and strolling around. Watch this, chat. Okay. What the f... Okay. That's the only way here. I'll keep this in handy, wait to reload. Okay. Alright. Please don't scare me. I don't feel like it. Oh my god. My mask. Interesting. That's locked. Chat, I think we have another mission on our hands where we have to do shit under pressure, which is like I'm the worst at. Keep. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Oh my god, I need the mask. Shit. I hate wearing it, bro. I can't see. I barely can see shit. Okay. Are you joking right now? This is a whole ass mission. Let me put this here. Okay. Oh. I need my other hand. Okay. Okay, I could take my mask off. It was just that. Okay. Oh. Anything here? Joy. Oh, right here. Oh my god, I was... Okay. Can take this off now. Oh my god, we got... What? What is that beeping? Okay, so... I'm gonna have to fast forward this also on YouTube, so bear with me and yeah, enjoy the little background music. Where is that gonna go? We bring you here and we drop it all the way from here. Where did it go? Excuse me? Yeah, this game is bugged. Like, really bugged. To restart chat, I mean... the battery just doesn't exist anymore. Somehow. Boom. Perfecto. Hello. Whoa, 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 whoa. Relax. What's going on? Dead by the... What? Original what? Huh? Ew. I have to go through here. No, no. Okay. There we go. I think I What? Oh, okay. I need the mask. I'm tripping. Oh my days, I can't see nothing. Run. Yeah, right. Oh my god. Oh my... You fucking cocksuckers. Sorry guys, you guys have to watch it laggy. I tried, I really did.
This isn't a place you come back from.
I tried chat. Sorry YouTube. My PC's just ass. Whoa. Whoa.
Do you have any idea what you're doing?
That's Poppy? Wait. It's Poppy. Chat, it's Poppy. Why is she going rogue? I can't move. Whoa.
Do you know
happened here?
What happened here? Whoa. The graphics are shit. Wait. Chat, I mean, YouTube, my bad. This part is gonna be really laggy. I don't know why, but my PC is somehow, like, bugging. Whoa.
Do you see why we have to end this?
Uh-huh. Whoa. That's where them little shits were chasing me, chat.
Do you even know what's real?
At this point, not really. Whoa.
No, you don't.
Okay, the lag is done. The lag is done. The lag is done. Catnap. Chad, it's catnap. Where is Rachel?
We need to reach 100%. Good luck.
Okay, okay, okay. Where's the cord? Under the office? Under the statue. Office statue. Office statue. Where was the office? I mean... Oh, there it is. There it is, chat. Have to plug it in. Okay, perfect. Oh, okay, we need this one. I was about to say, chat. I think I forgot to plug in the one. This one right here. That was the school.
Okay, that should be enough power.
Okay.
Now take that huge battery to the
Whoa.
gas production zone so we can get out of here. It's the door by the cable car you arrived on. Good luck.
Where? I don't know. I don't remember where I came by. I mean, I'll take it though. I feel like someone is gonna backstab me right here just by the second I leave. Catnap, don't do it to me. It's where you came from. Is that right there? Whoa! I hit that shit. Now, that looks like a door to me, but let me wait. Let me go investigate, chat. It has to be there, yeah. I mean. Wait, how about... I forgot about all this, literally. Okay. That's the mother load, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god. Oh my god! What do you want, dude? What do you want, bruh? Leave me alone. And he's gonna molest me. Let me tell you something, okay? It's Tony Montana, okay? Fuck with the best, okay? Let's get it. Hop on the Z-Team 5 and it's a G5 and he not a challenge. Bro, it's not going in, bro. Bro. Oh god, it's not going in, chat. I'm not even trolling. Chat, I'm not even trolling. It's not going in, bro. Like, this shit is fugazi, bro. Like, they're tripping on me. Cuh. Where the hell did he go? Oh my god. Chill. Y'all see him? Oh, I see him. Oh my god, he looks like the guy from Stranger Things. How am I supposed to do this? The battery doesn't go in. It literally doesn't go in. Oh, I can just go through this. Whoa! I thought I needed the battery. Okay, it's thinking, why is it so slow? Ugh. Is the game bugged? Oh my god, look at my hand stretching that so far. He's gonna drop kick me right there, right? He's gonna just assassinate me from on top. Chat. Holy bejeebus. It's gonna be a long night. I understand the concept now. I know what they want me to do. I'm basically gonna fight him with, you know, the smoke and shit and all of that shit. So it's gonna be a long night. I'll tell you now, Chad, it's gonna be a long one. Oh my god. What the fuck is that, queso? Oh, it's working on him. It's shitting on him, chat. Look. You see that green thingy? I think I'm doing a nice job. Ah. Wait, what? Oh no. It's over. Work on him, please. Oh crap. Oh my god. Oh no, I'm over. It's that, chat.
10 years later.
Okay, so he keeps the smoke on the left side and he third battery. Please, please, please. Okay. Oh my god, no, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, it worked, it worked, it worked. Come on, come on, baby, come on. Ready! Oh, oh my, what the? Okay. Oh! I almost didn't hit him, chat. I just misclicked my mouse. Talk to the hat. The invisible hand. Hey. Hey. The hour of joy, chat. Whoa, she plays a movie. Oh. What the f? You just attacked everybody, bro. He's stupid. Damn. Them little shits just ate him, chat. Missed the light. Boxy Boo. Catnap.
I remember hearing every moment of it.
Damn.
It went on so long. So agonizingly long. They tried to hide. To run. Anything to stay alive. I remember their cries. What's going on? Why is this happening? What are those things?
Give me a high five.
Senseless slaughter. That's all it really was. They killed everyone.
Damn.
The guilty, the innocent. Didn't matter. All of that death didn't fix anything. And then, once it was all over, they dragged those corpses down below where they'd never be found. And they ate the bodies. to stay
Whoa.
alive.
Oh, okay.
Type has to die.
What about this prototype?
For everything.
I know, they kind of ate everybody, that's true, but... Damn, that's a chauffeur? Whoa. I'm coming, hold on, Poppy.
Soon as we reach the bottom, we'll send the lift back up. Just hold tight, okay?
Hold tight.
After you.
You're so cute, I wanna... Okay. What do you...
All right. Once we hit the ground,
Uh-huh.
we need to be cautious.
Why?
There's something... What? What's she doing? This is...
You're joking.
No! We're coming! Just hold on!
What do you mean we're coming? No, we're not. No, we're not coming. No, we're definitely not. What? We're not coming. I just go down. I don't care. Well, they ended it well. Possibly a chapter. Cuatro. Another chapter in our hands. This is a nice chapter, chat. People on the YouTube, if you guys enjoy the series, don't forget the sub button and comment if you want any other game you guys want to see. And peace.